HMRC pension deadline, how to boost your UK state pension before April 2025. Did you know you could be missing out on thousands of pounds in your state pension? But there's good news. HMRC has extended the deadline to fill gaps in your national insurance NI record until April 5th, 2025. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your NI record, how much it costs to fill any gaps, and whether you can qualify for free credits instead of paying. Stay till the end and I'll show you how to make sure you don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Step 1. How to check for NI gaps. First, let's check if you have gaps in your national insurance record. If you have less than 35 years of contributions, your state pension could be lower than expected. To get any state pension at all, you need at least 10 years of contributions. Here's how to check your record in just a few minutes. 1. Go to WorgoView, check National Insurance Record. 2. Log in using your government gateway account. You'll need your national insurance number. 3. See if you have missing years. It will clearly show any gaps in your record. If you see gaps, don't worry. You have options to fix them before the April 2025 deadline. Step 2. How much it costs to fill NI gaps. Now, let's talk about cost. If you have gaps, you can buy back missing years by making voluntary NI contributions. But is it worth it? Here's a quick breakdown. One missing year costs around £824 in Class 3 NI contributions. Each extra year could increase your pension by about £330 per year. Over 20 years, that's an extra £6,600 in pension payments. That's a great return on investment. Of course, this won't apply to everyone, so let's see how you can decide if this is right for you. Step 3. How to make voluntary NI contributions if you've decided to fill the gaps. Here's how to do it. 1. Call HMRC first to confirm the amount you need to pay. Phone number 030020035000 Monday, Friday, 8 am 6 p.m. UK time. Ask if you need to pay Class 3 contributions or if you qualify for NI credits. 2. Make the payment. Go to www.governor.uk/pay-voluntary-class-3-national-insurance. Choose a payment method, bank transfer, debit card, or check. Step 4. Can you get NI credits for free? Before paying, check if you qualify for free NI credits instead. These credits count towards your pension for free and can be given if you claimed universal credit, job seekers allowance, or other benefits. Cared for a child under 12, you may get parents NI credits. We're unemployed but actively looking for work. To check if you qualify, visit www.governor.uk/national-insurance-credits. Visit governor.uk for all official information. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to know.